everybody, Dee Vyper here with Mad Max Cars. This is Layne. He's also with Mad Max Cars, one of our master mechanics. Well, this is a ship out video. We're about to ship out one of these Interceptors. It's not one we built from the ground up. It's one that we have modified and upgraded from the way the customer brought it to us. And it's about to head out and go on to the customer to its new life. We're gonna have Layne give it a drive, final test drive, and see what he thinks. What do you think about that, Layne?
Badass. Am I allowed to say badass?
Absolutely.
All right. No, it should be awesome. Should be great.
Excellent. Well, before we do that, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button down below in the description box there. Or if you want to see more videos like this in the future, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and information will come anytime we put out a new video. In any case, we'll see you at the end. This Interceptor replica has a crazy amount of history, going all the way back to the fact that it was one of the first to come to the United States. Alright, so before we ship this thing out, we're going to take it for a quick test drive. We've test driven it before, but this is like the final test drive. Alright, we're going to go for a ride. Heck yeah, this is a dream come true, right?
I'm crying.
Listen to that blower whine.
Last of the vegan Interceptors. Piece from here, put a piece from there. Blinkers on the wrong side.
Yep. People often ask if it's tough to figure out shifting with your left hand.
It's not.
It's not. That ain't no big deal.
I'll tell you what, the gentleman that's getting this car, take care of her. This is a beautiful machine. And the way she looks, and the way she drives, and the way she feels. Respect her. But beat the hell out of her. Anybody out there watching this video right now that's thinking, oh, I'm not gaudy enough, I couldn't do that, I couldn't pull that off. You're wrong. Sell the house, piss off the wife, buy a car. This ain't no Ferrari, this is way better. Obviously I'm being gentle because it's not my car. I may look good. I may look good driving it, you know. But this ain't mine. I don't even have a house, but I'm building Interceptors. American dream.
That's right.
Now, even the Big Bopper wasn't cool enough to drive one of these, and here it is. Just some greasy old kid. This is a dream come true. I'm almost crying. I love working on these cars. They're a lifestyle. It's not just a car, man. This is everything. You live, breathe, you feel, until you get to this moment where you're just sitting here in traffic behind a Lexus and you just blinker ain't too bad.
is. Hiding inside the trailer. Ready to go. Getting strapped down. All right, everybody, welcome back. Man, what a test drive that was. I love that car. What did you think, Layne, after driving it?
It's got a lot of power. It's a sweet driving car. It's a little rough around the edges here and there, but it's exactly what it needs to be. That car is going to be a ton of fun. Ton of fun. I really hope he appreciates it and gives it one hell of a beating.
Excellent. You think Mike's going to enjoy that car?
I think Mike is he's going to enjoy that car.
Absolutely. Excellent.
Very nicely, kind of.
Well, Mike, tear it up with that car. Enjoy it. Everybody, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click that like button. It helps the channel. And also, if you want to help the channel and to get information anytime we send out a new video, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Click the notification bell, and YouTube will let you know anytime we put something out. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you all next time.